Welcome to NFTstudio24.com.
Hey guys, I'm Andrea, and today we're going to be talking about NFTs and how they work in the Metaverse. When thinking of the Metaverse, it's a lot like a giant game. The Metaverse is a world like our own except digital and run on different systems such as blockchain technology. A lot like in newly developed NFT games that make it to where you can own game assets such as weapons or skins, you are able to do the same in the Metaverse. NFTs are so important to the Metaverse, in fact, that it is the economical lifeblood of the Metaverse. If I have an avatar in the Metaverse, I would be able to buy NFT wearables to dress up and style my avatar. And in some metaverses, to even acquire a username, you would need to first buy the NFT username to be called that instead of user2412. So when you enter your pod or home in the metaverse, your whole property and the land that your property is on is an NFT that you have bought on the marketplace of the metaverse. And inside of your home, you can decorate the walls with NFT art. Pretty cool, huh? Then if you have people over and wish to decorate the rest of the house, you can buy NFT furniture to make it more welcoming for your guests. In regular life, we are able to go to secondhand stores and resell items that we have no use for, and that is exactly how NFT items work in the metaverse too. So anything you buy in the metaverse that is an NFT has the opportunity to be resold or even rented if you wish. The possibilities are endless when it comes to NFTs and the metaverse because they are completely intertwined, and new opportunities are created daily by more and more people joining the metaverse and buying NFTs.
For more education videos, visit our website, NFTstudio24.com.